For the past few months, we have received countless reports of an unidentified hostile force. There has been an outbreak of spores that contain a fungus that, if inhaled, can mutate one's body until they are unrecognizable. During the process, the person dies and gets reanimated by the fungus, meaning all memory is wiped, so all they can think is to feast on humans. To ensure our and your continued safety during this epidemic, we have made the decision to put all of Wallingham County into lockdown. It is also advised that you barricade or lock all entrances to your home. Destroy all radios, as an unidentified organism located beneath the ground has the ability to sabotage radio transmissions and cause auditory hallucinations that make people weaker to the spores. If we don't act now, this may escalate into a statewide epidemic. I hope I can trust our citizens. I hope we can get through this. Thank you for your time.